Traffic. Portman Bridge. Traffic. Portman Bridge. Traffic na. Today is Monday. Traffic Monday. There's something in the way you look at me. When the night has come, Portman Bridge is traffic, going slow, slow, slow. Why, Delilah? Why, Delilah? Clock rides, Tetla. There's one Tetla here. There's plane there, landing, ready for landing. Let's go, Portman Bridge, my love. There's an easy change, stupid love, love morning light. Stupid love I found in you. Girl. It's an easy change. Na 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 na. La 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 la. Nang ma-inlove ako sa'yo, akala ko ay
See all the
tunay.
cables up there ready to get dropped?
Oh, for the snow?
And then those little arms up there, those are like the pulleys that pull it back up.
Oh. Wow. They're getting ready for the snow.
It's probably somebody stalled.
Huh?
Their car broke down on the. It
Oh.
looks like it's all going faster up there.
Uh-huh.
So someone's car probably broke. Oh, there was another car, emergency car. Must be something big that happened.
Maybe.
Here he comes.
Cops. Ambulance. Yeah.
It's busy all the way to the top. Maybe it's just volume.
Mabagal na ang takbo. Papunta. Going east. Mabagal na ang takbo. Pero papuntang west. Walang traffic. Tuloy-tuloy lang mga ka-idol. Ayan o. Dire-diretso lang ang daloy ng trapiko sa ating kaliwa papuntang west. Kami ay papuntang Is this part of Pitlam? Yeah. That we're in Surrey. Kalagpas lang namin sa may Portman Bridge.
Yeah, now
Guys, we're now in Surrey. Okay. We're now in Surrey. Yeah, ma-traffic na ma-traffic. Ay, wala na palang traffic. Dire-diretso na. Dire-diretso na ang takbo ng ating mga sasakyan, guys. Yes. Diretso na natin. Diretso na natin. Hanggang walong 4 minuto. Ayan. Wala nang edit. Diretso na. Shout out Olivia Mipana.
You know what you should do?
What?
Go on to that Dre's friend Sean's Facebook and see what it says.
Who?
Dre's friend Sean's Facebook, see what it says.
And everybody looking for something not to lose you. Summer friends want to lose money. La, 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 la. Hybrid tests. Thank you for watching, guys. This is our video for today. Happy weekdays. Happy Monday. December 29th. Shout out. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.